Dear brothers and sisters, the question is no longer whether we love Imam Hussein. The question is, what are we doing because of this love? The enemies of truth have not disappeared. Falsehood has not retired. Oppression has not taken a vacation. It simply changed its clothes and learned a new language. Today, lies are spread faster than truth. Corruption is normalized. Injustice is excused. Morality is mocked. Chastity is made fun of. Purity is strived to make dirty. Too many believers are waiting for someone else to act. Standing when you are outnumbered. Standing when you are criticized. Standing when the world tells you to sit down, be quiet, and compromise. Allahu Akbar. How many of us have experienced this as Husseinis? Me alone in the Middle East. Imam Hussein did not give us a legacy of comfort. He gave us a legacy of responsibility. The answer is right there. The answer is right there. Anytime I've ever left a group of people, anytime I've been abandoned by my own people, the only sole root reason is because they have a lack of responsibility and a lack of accountability. I've always been a responsible and accountable person. That's why I've always stood alone. And this is the true meaning of being a Husseini and a Shia and a Muslim. You submit to Allah. You don't submit to a broader group of people or your culture. So what do we do now? We become the people who refuse to lie. We become the people who refuse to betray. We become the people who defend the repressed or oppressed. We become the people who speak when others remain silent. We become the people who carry justice into our homes, our communities, our schools, our businesses, and our nations. Do not underestimate your influence. A single truthful word can change a life. A single act of courage can inspire an entire generation. A single believer fully committed to Allah can become a force that darkness cannot overcome. The time for passive belief is over. The time for action is now. Let every morning begin with a question. What truth will I defend today? What injustice will I challenge today? What part of Imam Hussein's mission will I carry today? Because Karbala never ended in Ashura. Karbala continues wherever truth confronts falsehood. And every one of us must decide which side we stand on. May Allah make us among those who do not merely praise the truth but live it. As we all know, there's a lot of bullshit people out there. Those who do not merely admire courage but embody it. It is a call that demands an answer.